Okay, good day everyone. Today in this video I will demonstrate on how to query database to find customers who have left a rating of 5 on feedback for at least 3 different bookings. Okay, let's start. Select feedback as customer ID. The customer ID and customer dot name as customer name customer name count if that feedback ID as total feedbacks total feedbacks from feedback as F join customers as C on F that customer ID equals C dot customer ID, where if that rating is equal to 5, then group by if that customer ID having count feedback ID less than or equal greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 3. Okay, let's run. So there is an error again. First reservation customer hotels. Wrong database SQL. So it should be here. Okay, let's run. Still again. Still having an error. confirmation hotel reservation that count does not exist. Name parsing and resolution section manual. What is this? If that customer ID feedback, if see or if the customer ID select F that customer ID that C name as customer name count feedback and feedback ID as total feedbacks, then feedback F join customers con and if the customer ID is equal to see that customer ID where if rating is equal to 5, rating is equal to 5. Group by customer F dot customer ID having count having count, maybe it's count is 3. Okay, let's run again. Okay, the problem is spacing, so the query is successfully this is the output. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and bye bye.